can dance. Oh, you are sitting on the balcony and then you see a beautiful lady walking. What do you do?
Hey guys and welcome back to my channel। जैसा कि आप वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग से समझ ही गए होंगे कि आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बर्ड शो दिखाने वाली हूँ जो मैंने दुबई में देखा था। लास्ट वीडियो वॉज अबाउट डॉल्फिन एंड सील शो और उसके बाद हम लोग गए वहीं पर बर्ड शो के लिए विच वॉज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड बहुत ही अच्छा था। तो आइए डू स्टे ट्यून विद मी टिल द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो।
Around the world. Okay, so let's take it out. Welcoming the chicken from America, one of the clever chicken around the world. Everybody saying a big hello to everyone. Hello there. Assalamu alaikum, namaste, привет. My name is Sid. This is DJ Owen, my partner. Flying now on the two Brazilian national birds. Coming up when you're ready. There we go. They look small, but they are really fast. They are really noisy. Their names are Tom and Jerry. Subconius are the species of them. They are amazing and they are fantastic. Now tell me, are you ready? Yeah! Look in the corner. Fatima and Sultan are coming. This is Fatima. Assalamu alaikum. Where is your brother Sultan? There you go. Hey, Sultan is 7 years old. Fatima is 6 years old. They are called the gold and blue macaw. Are you Fatima also? Oh, there you go. There you go in house. And now, someone is coming to raise the UAE flag. So get your cameras ready with no flashlight. The second largest parrot, this is Rex. Come on, big boy, the green wing macaw. Wait, he's got something to say. No flashlight. The African grey from South Africa. From Australia, pink wrist cockatoo. Fatima is from South America. Come on everybody, clap it out.
It was a kind of very interactive show I must say, क्योंकि हम लोगों को भी आप आगे देखोगे उन्होंने बुलाया. We touched the birds, we fed them, so it was very very nice. Here she is giving the message कि अगर आप mess फैलाते हो then you need to clean it yourself.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, Coco, let's do this. We are in Dubai. What is the first thing you tell the people as respect?
Alright, Coco, say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Walaikum salam to everybody. Hey, what did Marlin told you to ask everybody here?
Hello, everybody. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, very good. When you wake up in the morning, what do you need to tell people first thing?
Good morning.
Good morning. You know, we all have friends, right? He's got some friends too. Who is your best friend?
Meow. Meow.
The cat. But one friend he don't like. Who eats all your food?
Let me tell you one thing, the anchor of the show was so nice. He was interacting with everybody. He was involving children, he was involving adults. तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था.
Length of the mouth. Remember, small mouth is the girl, big mouth is the boy. Sit down. Come on up. Who's coming next?
So you can see the bird painting. बहुत ही intellectual birds थी, I must say.
Andre, the giant. Andre the giant is the world's largest Steller sea eagle. Look at that. You see, he is so big, but remember that is the size of a small baby. It's a
Towards the end, we also got to feed these birds और अथर को तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. तो बस इसी के साथ हमारा बर्ड शो ख़त्म हुआ एंड आई एम एंडिंग टुडेज़ वीडियो ऑल्सो. स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी क्योंकि बहुत जल्द मैं एक और वीडियो आपके लिए लेकर आने वाली हूँ जहाँ पर हम घूमेंगे दुबई की एक और प्लेस. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, टेक केयर गाइज, बाय बाय.